In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 defaults to OneDrive. 5 minutes. If your files keep saving to OneDrive instead of your local drive, we'll walk through turning off automatic backup, unlinking OneDrive from this PC, moving your default folders back to a local location, and preventing OneDrive from launching at startup. Follow along on your Windows 11 desktop. Start by opening OneDrive from the system tray. Look for the small cloud icon on your taskbar, usually near the clock. Click it to open the OneDrive panel. In the top right of that panel, click the gear icon and choose Settings. This is where OneDrive controls backup and sync behavior. Go to the Sync and Backup tab, then select Manage Backup. Here you'll see Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. Turn off backup for each of these to stop them from syncing automatically. This prevents Windows from defaulting those folders to OneDrive. If you get a notice about what happens to existing files, that's expected. You're just disabling automatic protection for these folders. Next, go to the Account tab in OneDrive Settings and choose Unlink this PC, then Confirm. Unlinking stops the connection between your computer and your OneDrive account on this device. Your files already in OneDrive remain in the cloud, and anything already downloaded locally stays on your computer, but new changes won't sync until you sign back in. Now let's point your default folders back to a local path. Open File Explorer and navigate to your user folders such as Desktop, Documents, or Pictures. If they show as being inside OneDrive, we'll change that. Right-click the folder you want to fix and select Properties. Open the Location tab and click Move. Choose a new location on your local drive, typically under C+ users plus your username plus. Then click Select Folder. When Windows asks if you want to move existing files to the new location, confirm. Repeat this for each folder you want back on your local drive. To stop OneDrive from launching automatically, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Find Microsoft OneDrive, right-click it, and select Disable. This keeps OneDrive from reopening and flipping settings back while you're working. That's it. You've disabled folder backup to OneDrive, unlinked it from your PC, moved your default folders to a local path, and prevented OneDrive from starting automatically. Your files should now save locally by default, while anything in the cloud remains accessible whenever you choose to sign back in.